Hi guys, it's Shelly from the Lemonade Store, and today we're gonna just do a simple fun for the kids, fun for me, probably you. So for under like $10, you can find these super cute Crayola gel markers, and all you need is a pack of those and some black cardstock. And I'm gonna show you some footage that I filmed for my friends over at the Lettering Tribe on Instagram. So I'll link to that. It's a really great resource. They feature tons of different letterers and artists and stuff. So it's a great place to kind of head over. So I'll make sure I link to them as well. And so I'll show you what I did for them, and I'll do some subscriber names. And let's see what else I got going on. Oh, I think coming up super soon, I got this fun. One of my favorite things to do is to send mail that has like, pretty lettering on it and stuff. But it's also super fun. Let me get the camera shot. It's also super fun when I get mail that has my name on it, all beautiful. So coming up soon, a really great friend of mine, Crystal Elizabeth, also on Instagram, she came out with a book. So coming up, I think in the next video or so, we're gonna kind of do like a little book review, but in that box is something for whenever you go. Yay! So let's get started. Hope you guys are having an awesome March. I am. It's my birthday next week, so hooray! So much fun. So let's get started and hope you like it. Let me know, by the way, if your name gets lettered in the comments below, because that seriously is amazing. And yeah, so that's all I got. Okay, so let's get started. So see, you guys, it's like magic. It's like you start writing and then it's like it just magically gets darker. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna go over some shadowing too, because I want to show you. I know that's a big thing for everyone, including myself. I still mess up the shadows, so don't sweat it. It's all good. So I think my favorite combo is this blue pen and the pink pen. Okay, so let's talk about the shadow. So what always helps me is I pick the side that I think the sunshine's going to be. And for me, it's usually in the upper left-hand side. And then I also imagine that if it's in the upper left-hand side, my paper, as if it slides to the left as well. And all of the lines of the shadow are going to be on the right. So maybe it'll be a little bit easier. We'll just kind of go through these last two together because there's different colors. But notice how I am doing all of my lines on the right side. And all it is practice, and it definitely, takes a little bit of getting used to. But another really cool thing to try is, do a shadow, like if you have Word or Pages or something, write something out, put a shadow on it, and look how the computer did it. Then you can kind of practice doing that as you're writing as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe and like button if you haven't yet. And I hope that you liked your name lettered. If you would like to see yours lettered, just leave me a comment below and I'll add your name to the box. Thanks, you guys.